The Fassada H60 hybrid curtain wall system is the most advanced and innovative curtain wall system worldwide. It is the first and the only non-unitized system with foolproof installation and glazing from the inside of the building, which means that the use of scaffoldings or cradles belong once and for all to the past. The H60 system has no screws, no silicone, and does not use dozens of expensive accessories. It is superior performant, smarter, easier, and, last but not least, significantly more cost-effective. Installation of the brackets. The installation and adjustment of the steel brackets is unbelievably easy to do from the inside of the building. Once the setting is out and done by the surveyor, the fasteners are first adjusted and fixed according to the modulation of the facade. Secondly, adjusted and secured in the plane of the facade. Doing so, a crucial part of the installation job is easily done. Installation of the mullions. Installing the mullions and making sure they are properly aligned has never been this efficient and easy. The thermally broken mullions are fitted with steel hook-shaped blades, which are hung over the brackets installed on the concrete slab. Then the mullion is aligned correctly, following the grid of the curtain wall. At an anchor, where the dead load of the curtain wall is transferred to the concrete structure, the mullion is put on the exact level by turning the bolt fitted in the hook-shaped blade. For extensions, the mullion expansion profiles provide a tight, accurate fit, with adequate space for expansion and contraction. Installation of the transoms. Unlike conventional systems, the transom is not attached to the mullion with the use of screws or any kind of connecting blocks. On both ends of the thermally broken transom, a special rubber end piece is installed. The transom is presented at an angle between the two mullions and then guided towards the cutouts in the mullion groove gasket feature. Then two lever arm keys are positioned as close as possible to the edge of the mullions. At last, a short click lets the transom click into the pre-machined slots in the mullions. Finally, the two rubber end pieces are injected to guarantee a perfect watertight connection. The entire job is done in less than 3 minutes. Installation of the glass. The installation of the glass also happens from the inside of the building. However, for whatever reason, the glass can also be installed from the outside of the building. The glass is installed using the shuffle glazing method. That is, they are slid horizontally into the larger of the rebates in the mullion profile, then shuffled into place in the other rebate. Once the glass is installed, the glazing bars, provided with the rubbers, are put in place by a move parallel to the glass plane. Installation of the spandrel panels. For installation of an infill spandrel panel in front of a floor slab, first the panel needs to be installed, and only then the transom at the head of this panel is installed. This installation happens as follows. Guide the spandrel panel into place above the concrete slab and lower down on the glass setting blocks. Put the infill element under an angle to the inside of the building. Install the upper transom. Push the infill element towards the outside in its vertical position. Place the lateral and lower interior glazing beads with their gaskets. If requested for improved thermal performance, glue an additional insulation panel on the back of the installed spandrel panel. Evacuation of infiltration waters. Unlike conventional systems, The evacuation and drainage of infiltration water doesn't happen following the well-known cascade principle from the transoms into the mullion. The Fassada H60 functions with the principle of field drainage, where every field of the curtain wall is drained as a simple fixed window. Simple, superior performant, and perfectly controllable. Efficiency, time and cost of the installation. This overall method of installation from the inside of the building has a whole series of advantages, such as no need of costly cradles or any kind of external access equipment, not weather dependent, the reduction of total time for installation by about 50%, better quality control and less risk, easier means accessible for low or non-skilled workers. Maintenance. For maintenance or replacement purposes, no special tools are required. The replacement of a broken glass happens exactly the same way as for a simple window in your own private residence. The Fassada H60 stick system is the start of a new era in curtain wall construction. It is superior performant, and it is strongly reducing all kinds of technical and economic risks. We couldn't call it better than by the famous quote of chess phenomenon Garry Kasparov. At the end of the day, it's all about money. Therefore, the H60 is more than an innovative technology. It is an economic vision.